Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A conceptual masterpiece in the world of luxury expedition vehicles. The 2026 SLRV British VIP Suite promises to revolutionize first-class travel for the world's most discriminating adventurers. With this British VIP Suite, SLRV, which is renowned for its sturdy and incredibly powerful expedition vehicles, would probably combine its off-road skills with an unparalleled degree of sophisticated elegance and custom British workmanship to create a genuinely one-of-a-kind mobile retreat. The 2026 SLRV British VIP Suite would attract attention from the outside thanks to its impressive yet elegant appearance. Despite being constructed on a robust, well-proven truck chassis and designed to traverse a variety of terrains, the design would go beyond simple functionality. A finely detailed body may be imagined, perhaps with slight aerodynamic improvements and custom metallic paint jobs that shine with a rich sheen. The car's sleek lines would be preserved while providing panoramic views through large, double-glazed, recessed windows that were probably imported from Germany for their greater insulation and flush integration. The clean appearance would be preserved with subtly placed external storage spaces and utility access points that allude to the vast array of possibilities inside. The entire effect would be one of subtle elegance encased in strong capacity. Entering the 2026 SLRV British VIP Suite would be like entering a luxurious, well-designed home in Britain. The term VIP Suite suggests a completely custom environment that is suited to the owner's exact tastes and exudes a classic British sense of elegance. Premium materials abound, including hand-stitched Connolly leather upholstery, polished hardwood veneers, maybe walnut, oak, or cherry, custom cabinets made by skilled joiners, and fine, long-lasting textiles. The design would maximize comfort and space, maybe including a lavish master suite, a gourmet galley kitchen with premium meal appliances, and a large club lounge area for entertaining. The latter would probably have a king-sized bed, lots of room for a wardrobe, and an opulent full-width ensuite bathroom with solid surface benchtops, high-end fixtures, and a separate walk-in shower. Custom interior finishes, such as wall and ceiling treatments and flooring, would enable an unmatched level of customization, guaranteeing that every suite is genuinely one-of-a-kind. The British VIP Suite would have a smooth and complete technical integration. Complete off-grid self-sufficiency for extended periods of time would be ensured by a top-notch electrical system, potentially with a sturdy Mastervolt lithium battery pack and considerable solar charging capabilities, perhaps 1600 W from roof panels. All of the appliances in the house, including as the air conditioner, dishwasher, washer, and dryer, as well as the entertainment systems, would be powered by this. Its expeditionary readiness would be highlighted by sophisticated water management systems, such as several tanks for different water qualities, e.g., separate drinking water tanks with independent filtration, and alternatives for collecting water from external sources like streams. Even the most remote places would have connectivity thanks to satellite communication for TV and the internet, like Starlink. The 2026 SLRV British VIP Suite would essentially be more than simply a camper. It would be a mobile declaration of first-class travel, fusing the exquisite elegance and painstaking craftsmanship that are characteristic of British luxury with the unwavering spirit of adventure. No matter where they go, it would satisfy those who expect the best.